Hello, friends. Today, I'm diving into the world of sports psychology to uncover the secrets that can help 12th class students pursuing physical education. Sports psychology is a game changer for 12th grade athletes who want to take their performance to the next level. In this chapter, following topics will be covered. So let's get started. Psychology and Sports 1 Personality. Its definition and types, Jung classification and Big Five theory, to motivation. Its type and techniques. 3. Exercise adherence, reasons, benefits and strategies for enhancing it. 4. Meaning, concept and types of aggressions in sports. 5. Psychological attributes in sports, self-esteem, mental imagery, self-talk, goal setting. Psychology and sports. Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes. In sports and physical education, sports psychology focuses on understanding how mental, emotional, and behavioral factors affect performance, participation, and overall well-being. Personality word is derived from Latin word persona, which means mask. Definition of personality. Personality refers to the combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's distinctive character. It includes a person's behavior, emotional patterns, thought processes, and attitudes. Robert A. Barron, 2008, personality is defined as individual's unique and relatively stable pattern of behavior, thoughts, and feelings. Types of personality. A. Jung's classification. Psychologist Carl Jung classified personality into 3 types. Introverts, quiet, reserved, and inward-focused individuals. They prefer solitude and introspection. Extroverts, outgoing, energetic, and socially active individuals who enjoy engaging with others. Ambiverts, a balance between introversion and extroversion, showing traits of both types depending on the situation. B. Big Five personality theory. The Big Five theory identifies 5 key dimensions of personality: openness, creativity, imagination, and willingness to try new things. Conscientiousness, organized, responsible, and goal-oriented behavior. Extraversion, sociability, energy, and assertiveness in social interactions. Agreeableness, compassionate, cooperative, and trusting nature. Neuroticism, tendency to experience negative emotions like anxiety, anger, or depression. Motivation, its types and techniques. Definition of motivation. Motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and sustains goal-directed behavior. It drives individuals to act in a certain way to achieve desired outcomes. Types of motivation. Intrinsic motivation, motivation that comes from within an individual, driven by personal satisfaction, curiosity, or enjoyment. For example, playing a sport for fun. Extrinsic motivation, motivation driven by external rewards or pressures, such as money, recognition, or fear of punishment. Techniques to improve motivation. Goal setting, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Positive reinforcement, offering rewards or praise for achievements. Visualization, imagining success to build confidence and drive. Role models, observing successful individuals to inspire effort. Self-monitoring, tracking progress to stay motivated. Feedback, constructive feedback to help individuals improve and stay focused. Exercise adherence, reasons, benefits and strategies for enhancing it. Reasons for exercise adherence: desire for better physical health, improvement in mental health and stress management, social interaction and support, achievement of fitness goals. Example: Weight loss, muscle building. Benefits of exercise adherence. Enhanced physical fitness and stamina. Reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart problems. Improved mental well-being, reduced stress, and better mood. Enhanced self-esteem and confidence. Better social connections and relationships. Strategies for enhancing exercise adherence: setting realistic goals. Establishing attainable objectives to maintain motivation. Creating a routine. Incorporating exercise into daily schedules. Enjoyable activities. Choosing exercises or sports that are enjoyable. Social support. Exercising with friends, family, or groups to stay committed. Tracking progress. Using apps, journals, or trackers to monitor improvement. Professional guidance. Hiring trainers or joining structured programs for accountability. Meaning, concept and types of aggression in sports. Meaning of aggression in sports. Aggression is a physical or verbal behavior which is directed towards the goal of harming other living being either physically or psychologically. Aggression in sports refers to the intent to dominate, assert power, or achieve a goal, often by overcoming opposition or obstacles. It is not necessarily negative, as it can fuel motivation and performance when controlled appropriately. Types of aggression. 1. Hostile aggression. Aggressive acts aimed at causing harm or injury. Often triggered by frustration or anger. Example. Deliberately fouling a player to injure them. 2. Instrumental aggression. Intent to achieve a specific goal, such as winning, where harm might occur as a byproduct but is not the main aim. Aggression used as a means to achieve a goal, like gaining possession of the ball. Example. Tackling in football to regain control of the ball. 3. Assertive aggression. Any verbal behavior under the rules and regulation of the sport which is used to harm psychological to living being. In this only legitimate forces are used. Example. Playing with high intensity without violating rules. Method to control aggression in sports. Controlling aggression in sports is essential for maintaining a safe and positive environment while enhancing performance and teamwork. Here are several methods to manage aggression effectively. 1. Education and awareness. 2. Setting clear rules and expectations. 3. Promoting positive role models. 4. Developing self-regulation skills. 5. Channeling aggression productively. 6. Encouraging team support and communication. 7. Providing consequences and rewards. 8. Stress management training. 9. Pre-game preparation. 10. Involving sports psychologists. Psychological attributes in sports. These attributes are crucial for enhancing an athlete's mental strength and performance. 1. Self-esteem. Refers to how much value or worth an athlete places on themselves. High self-esteem leads to confidence and better performance, while low self-esteem can cause self-doubt and anxiety. Importance. Encourages resilience and reduces fear of failure. 2. Mental imagery. The process of visualizing or imagining successful performance before or during a game. Athletes mentally rehearse strategies, movements, or positive outcomes. Importance. Improves focus, reduces anxiety, and enhances muscle memory. Example. A swimmer visualizing a flawless dive before a competition. 3. Self-talk refers to the internal dialogue athletes have with themselves, which can be positive or negative. Positive self-talk. Example, I can do this, boosts confidence, whereas negative self-talk can lead to poor performance. Importance. Helps regulate emotions and maintain concentration. 4 Goal setting involves defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals. Types of goals: short term goals. Achievable within a short time frame, example, improving daily practice. Long term goals. Focused on broader outcomes, example, winning a championship. Importance: enhances motivation, provides direction, and keeps athletes focused. Understanding these psychological aspects enables athletes to harness their mental strength, control aggression, and achieve peak performance effectively. If you have any experience with sports psychology or have a story to share about how it helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on athletic performance and mental well-being. Thanks for watching.